Welcome and hello family. We are making lamb curry potjie, a South African cuisine. This was so tasty and delicious. I can't wait for you to try it. Before we start with our potjie, let's marinate our lamb first. I'm using lamb potjie pieces, so I'm going to add lamb wrap, add some turmeric paste, ginger, chili and garlic. I'm adding some olive oil. You are most welcome to use any oil that you like. Let's get in there and marinate. Mix everything until evenly coated. I'm going to place this in the fridge. These are all the spices that we're going to use today. I'm going to chop one onion. Wearing my apron. Our fire is almost there. Let's go harvest some herbs in the garden in the meantime. I'm just gonna get some curry leaves because we are making curry. Rosemary. I need to harvest all of these things and dry them so that they don't get spoiled, hey? I will show you how to do it when I get the time to do that. This rosemary smells amazing, so fresh. Now I'm getting chili. This chili just keeps growing, guys. Just when I think this tree is done, no, the chili comes. I'm enjoying it, so this is time. All right, let's go wash these. So I'm quickly gonna chop one sprig of rosemary because I'm gonna add it to our lamb. Our fire is looking good. Let's get started. These are the spices that we're going to use. And these are all the vegetables. Chicken stock, chili, and rosemary. Now we're just going to add olive oil. I think that's about 6 tablespoons. Then I've added star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cardamon, cumin seeds, Our meat marinated for about an hour and a half. So now you're just going to add it and mix everything.
It smells very, very nice.
Now in with the tomatoes. You can use canned tomatoes. You don't have to use chopped tomatoes. You can also grate your tomatoes. Add your rosemary and mix everything. And now our spices are going in. The smell, it smells like wow. It smells really, really good. Our chicken stock is going in and 2 cups of water. I'm just gonna allow this to simmer. We'll only add the vegetables later on once our meat has cooked through, because I don't want us to overcook the veggies.
Perfect.
Allow it to cook for 45 minutes. Let us have something refreshing. So I'm just having myself a cider. You can have a glass of wine, you can have a cup of coffee, you can have tea, water. Do you? Keep adjusting your fire to make sure that it's not too hot. Hey fam, how you doing? Hope you're great. So I'm enjoying cooking outdoors. It's a Wednesday today. I'm just loving the weather. It's a bit cold, but the sun is out. Let me know which pork you'd like me to cook next, guys. I really enjoy cooking outside. It is just so refreshing. I love it. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. So before I go, cheers. Our lamb is so nice and tender. I am so happy with how it tastes. So before you add your vegetables, ensure that you taste and you adjust accordingly. So now that we've added our vegetables, we're just going to close with the lid and allow the vegetables to steam nicely on top. So just a quick tip, guys, if your liquid is a bit too much, just cook your potjie without the lid. It will just cook nicely and thicken the sauce. And then once you are satisfied with how the sauce looks like, you can go ahead and close the lid and allow your potjie to finish cooking. My vegetables have been cooking for about 30 minutes now. I'm so happy with how everything looks. It looks amazing. It tastes good. It's yummy. It's spicy. It's, oh my god, just full of flavor. I'm going to serve my lamb curry potjie with basmati rice. Ooh, this potjie smells divine. It smells beautiful. It smells so, oh my goodness. It's just bursting with so much flavor, guys. Please, if you try this, let me know. Let me know in the comment section. I'm just looking forward to hearing from you guys. flavorful, tasty, and delicious. That's all I can say. Bye, Batontle.